Hello everyone. Today I will show you how we can access computers remotely within our office or home network. Right? Please note that this is not the setup to access computer from outside the network. This will work only accessed from inside your network. If two or more than two computers are in the same network, you will be able to access those by setting this up. Okay, let's proceed with setting up remote desktop in local area network. First, open up a command prompt and get the IP address of the remote machine. Right. For example, I want to access this machine. I will type here ipconfig. Hit enter. And the IP address of this machine is 172.17.1.5. I will access this machine remotely. So first let's allow remote connection to this machine. Right click here and go to properties. Now go to remote setting. Now select. Currently you can see it selected don't allow remote connections. We will select allow remote connections to this computer. Hit apply, hit OK. So we will need the password and the username of this computer, so we will be able to access it remotely, and the IP address of this computer. So let's go to the other computer in the same network and open remote desktop connection. Open it. This is the remote computer IP address. Hit connect. It will ask for the username and the passwords of remote computer. So I have entered the password as I have the username. Hit yes. Okay. I am successfully connected to the remote computer. If you can see the IP address here. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.